Catherine McQueen and welcome to Investing Channel TV. With US equity markets trading up and around all-time highs, it's an interesting time to lift the hood and take a look at what the smart money has been doing over the last few months. We've just received a raft of 13F filings, which are quarterly reports filed by institutional investment managers to the SEC, containing all equity assets under management of at least $100 million in value. So today, we're taking a look at the top 5 stocks traded by hedge funds in Q3 2019 and how they've traded over that period. At number 5 on our list is Alphabet. This stock is currently trading around the $1,300 level, up 7.2% on Q4, having posted positive returns in Q3. Technicians will comment that this is an exciting chart with higher highs and higher lows and price climbing over the long run at a 45-degree angle. Additionally, the daily MA bounce in mid-July looks to have set a momentum precedent for the longer term. 147 hedge funds are listed as being shareholders, with a total dollar amount of long positions of $12.3 billion. In total, 19.7% of hedge funds surveyed were long Alphabet stock. Last period, Alphabet was ranked at number 4 on this list, so we can see there has been a bit of institutional cooling on this giant company. Noteworthy shareholders include Ken Fisher and Cliff Ashness. At number 4, we have Alibaba, which was previously positioned at number 5 last quarter. Price-wise, we are currently trading above the $180 level. This stock closed the quarter at $172, up 9.3% on Q4 so far, but slightly down in Q3. Technicians note that there was a great technical buy signal in late October with the daily MA bounce, a signal of continued momentum. 149 hedge funds have holdings in Alibaba, with a combined dollar long position of $19.2 billion. Key shareholders include Ken Fisher again and David Shaw. Of all reporting hedge funds, 19.9% had a net long position in Alibaba. Amazon is number 3 on this list, with 169 hedge funds holding positions in the stock. Its combined dollar long position is $23 billion, and 22.6% of responding hedge funds had a long position in the company. Andreas Halvorsen and Chase Coleman are notable shareholders. The stock is currently trading around the $1,739 mark, up on Q4 by close to 1%. In Q3, the stock traded down 10% over the period, despite posting a 2019 high at $2,035.80 and swiftly reversing. This stock is exhibiting a complicated chart structure, and in the instance of indecision, the longer-term MAs should be referred to for direction guidance. In this instance, we see the 200D MA capping efforts to push price higher in early November. At number 2, we have Microsoft, which retains its position in this list from Q2. The stock has been on a rip this year and is currently trading at just below the $150 mark at all-time highs. It's up 6.5% in Q4 so far, yet was broadly flat in Q3. The Microsoft chart is great, with a gap forming in late October not being filled, suggesting a sign of a longer-term bull strength. Currently, 173 hedge funds have positions in Microsoft, with a combined dollar total long position of $26.9 billion. 23.1% of all reporting hedge funds had a long position in the firm. Cliff Ashness and Chase Coleman are again noteworthy shareholders. Finally, we get to number 1 on our list, and we can reveal that there's been no change at the top. Facebook reigns supreme in terms of hedge fund shareholder rankings, retaining its position from Q2. 178 hedge funds hold positions in Facebook, with a combined dollar long position of $20.8 billion and 23.8% of all responding hedge funds being long at the time of reporting. So far in Q4, it's up 8.5%, but had a poor Q3. Technicians will comment that this is a classic chart with a succession of higher highs and higher lows and the upward trend of the long-term daily MA. That's all we have time for now. See you next quarter.